Hi, I'm Mark from Tradesman Mechanical. Most new furnaces have a circuit board that will generate a fault code when the furnace fails to start. You can see here that the red LED is flashing 3 times and will keep repeating that code until the power to the furnace is interrupted either by the door switch or the circuit breaker. If your furnace filter is dirty, the furnace will run hotter than normal and could trigger a high limit fault. This information can also be found on the inside door panel and can be useful information to pass on to your service technician before they come out. Just remember, this is a natural gas appliance that should be safely maintained and serviced by a professional. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.